So as you exhale, slowly bring your hands, place it on your head. So one more time, inhale and up. Exhale and slowly bring your hands down to the side of your body. So next asana we are going to see is Hasta Uttanasana, legs close together, interlocking your fingers above your head. Slowly inhale, and as you exhale, move sideways. Onto your right side. So this helps in stretching your waist muscles, your hands. It improves your heart health. So inhale to the center and exhale to the left this time. And inhale to the center. Slowly drop your hands down. So this is Hasta Uttanasana. Now we are going to see Vrikshasana, the tree pose. So for this, place one leg stubborn on the floor. Raise your right leg, place it on your inner thigh, onto your inner perineum region as much as possible. Slowly inhale and bring your hands sideways. Join your palms above your head, hands in Namaskar Mudra. Be in normal breathing. Try to focus on any point which is in front of you. So this will help you in increasing your concentration, your willpower. So slowly exhale and bring your hands down and your legs down in a balanced manner. Now onto the left side. Place your legs onto your inner perineum region. The hands taken sideways and in Namaskar Mudra. Focus. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly bring your hands down and drop your legs down. So the next asana is Ardha Chakrasana. So legs slightly apart. Hands on your spine, back of your spine. Slowly inhale and arch back slightly onto your upper back. Stay there, breathe in, breathe out. This helps in improving your spine health. It's a good preparatory asana for Chakrasana. So exhale, normal position. Next asana is Pada Hastasana, legs together. Inhale, hands above your head, arching back slightly. And exhale, fall forward from your hips. Place your hands, palms to the floor. This asana helps in relieving constipation. It helps in digestion. It's a good stretch onto your hamstrings. So as you go to the position, always you should be in normal breathing. So inhale and come up. Drop your hands down. Now the next asana we are going to see is Trikonasana. For Trikonasana, place your right legs apart, 2.5 feet distance. Right foot turned towards the right angle. So inhale, stretch your hands. Exhale, slowly slide your hands onto the right hand. Left hand is stretched up. Look at your left hand. Breathe in and breathe out. This helps in stretching out your lateral muscles. Breathe in and out. Inhale, come up to the center. Now straighten your right leg. Extend your left leg. Inhale, stretch your hands. Exhale onto the left side. Look at your right hand which is stretched out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and up. Drop your hands down. Straighten your legs. Joining your legs. Now we are going to practice the Parsva Konasana. Okay. So One leg back and other leg forward. Slowly. Bending your knees. Place your right hand down and your left hand is stretched out. Look at your hand. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. It strengthens your legs, your knees. It's good for digestion. It also increases your willpower. Slowly inhale and come back. Now straighten your right leg onto the left side. Bend your left leg. So exhale. Left hand on the floor and the right hand stretched out. Looking at your right hand.
Amma, look forward. Yeah, very good. Super.
Okay. Okay. Stay there for a few seconds. Breathe in and breathe out. Always be in normal breathing as you reach the position. Okay. Inhale and up. Exhale. Join your legs together. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. ஐஸ்வர்யம்மா வாழ்க வளமுடன். எல்லாமே ரிலாக்ஸேஷனுக்கு வந்துடலாம். சிட்டிங் பொசிஷன்ல வந்துட்டு தண்டாசன்ல ரிலாக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ரிலாக்ஸ். ஆஃப்டர் ஸ்டாண்டிங் ஆசனா ரிலாக்ஸேஷன் வந்து தண்டாசனத்துல சிட்டிங் பொசிஷன்ல ரிலாக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். உங்களோட காலில் கொஞ்சம் ஷேக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. சரி. நோ ப்ராப்ளம்.
ஓகே, சாரி மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
நோ ப்ராப்ளம்.
ஓகே சார்.
ஸோ நம்ம வந்து எது மிஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படிங்கிறது மெயின் விஷயம் இல்லை. நமக்கு ஒரு போல்டை நம்ம வந்து எடுக்கிறோமா அப்படிங்கிறது தான் நமக்கு அது. தேங்க்யூ மேடம். ஐஸ்வர்யம்மா
வாழ்க வளமுடன் சார்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன். ரிலாக்ஸா இருங்கம்மா.
ஓகே சார்.
நல்லா ரிலாக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. உங்களுக்கு நிறைய டைம் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். பொறுமையா பண்ணுங்க, ரிலாக்ஸா பண்ணுங்க. தான் இருக்கும். நம்ம தப்பு பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்லாம் நினைக்காம தைரியமா போல்டா பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
ஓகேங்கம்மா, நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம்.
Okay. Now let's do sitting postures. First asana is Dandasana. Stretch your legs in front of the mat and place your hands behind. Normal position, spine straight. Breathe normally. Stay in this position for a few seconds. Your head, spine, neck must be aligned in a straight line. Relax yourself. Next asana is Baddhakonasana, Bhadrasana. Try to place your legs inside near your perineum. Stretch your knees out. Hold your hands on your toes. Breathe normally. Spine, neck, head are aligned in a straight line. Breathe normally and relax yourself in this asana. This is a very good asana during pregnancies also. Next asana is Padmasana. Stretch your legs, come back to Dandasana position. Place your right leg on your left thigh and left leg on your right thigh. This is called as a lotus position. Your hands must rest on Chin Mudra on your knees. Rest your hands on your knees in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes, breathe normally, spine straight, relax yourself. This is a good meditative posture. If you have any knee pain, you can release. Else you can continue for a few seconds. Slowly release this asana. Release your left leg. and release your right leg. Stretch your legs and come back to the Dandasana position. Next is Vajrasana. First, fold your right leg and place it near your butt, and then fold your left leg. Spine straight, spine, neck, head are aligned in the same position. Sit straightly and hold your hands on Chin Mudra. This is called Thunderbolt pose. This helps in digestion. This is also a meditative asana. You can feel the stretch in your thighs. It's a very good posture. You can even sit after eating. Slowly release this asana. Release your left leg and then release your right leg. Come back to the Dandasana position and relax yourself. Next is Yoga Mudrasana. From the Dandasana position, come to the Padmasana posture. Place your right leg on your left thigh and left leg on your right thigh. Hold your hands at the back. Now inhale. Position for a few seconds. You can feel a good stretch on your thighs. If you cannot hold this position, you can release. Else you can stay there for a few seconds. Now inhale and come back slowly. Release your hands and release the Padmasana, left leg, release your left leg and then release your right leg. Come back to the Dandasana position. Next is Parvadasana, mountain pose. For the mountain pose, you can go to Vajrasana and then slowly stand up. This is a downward dog pose. You can feel a good stretch in the hamstrings. Stay in this position for a few seconds. Slowly release. Come back to the Vajrasana position. Slowly release. Okay, next is Mandukasana. Hold your hands in Adi Mudra. Downwards like this. Hold it under your stomach. Inhale, exhale and bend down. Your forehead must be on your mat. This is a very good asana for diabetes. Hold there for a few seconds. Inhale. Come back.
No wall around it. Or small variation. Sorry for the disturb.
Okay.
Abdi, chin on the mat. Abdi vainga. Same Mandukasana. Chin on the mat. Chin. Ah. So Baba Ramdev Maharaj like that. So அவர் வந்து அவ்வளவு அழகா பண்ணுவார். சின்ன அந்த மேட் வரும்போது கம்ப்ளீட் ஃபோல்டிங் வரும் அதுக்காக. ஸோ அதுக்காக சொன்னேன். ஓகேம்மா, தேங்க்யூ. நெக்ஸ்ட் கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க. Next is Ustrasana, camel posture. You can stand from Vajrasana. Slowly, your right hand must come back to your right leg.
and then left hand, left leg. This asana gives you a good stretch in your chest and then good bend on your spine. You can feel that. Your shoulders, chest, everything stretches. Stay in this asana for a few seconds. You can feel the stretch of your abdomen, chest, shoulders, everything. Slowly release this asana. First, release your right hand and then release your left hand. Relax yourself in Vajrasana. Next one is Sasangasana. This is a good relaxative asana. It is also a counter pose for Ustrasana. Now first raise your hands above your head. Inhale and raise your hands. Exhale and normally drop your body and hands down. Your elbows down, your head down on the mat. It is a very good relaxative asana. If you have any knee injury, abdominal injury, you should not do this. If you have migraine, you can avoid this. Stay in this position, relax your body. It gives a good blood circulation to your skull region. It has a greater benefits. Relax yourself in this asana. Slowly release this asana. Inhale, come back. And now release your hands. Exhale, release your hands. Breathe normally. Relax yourself in Vajrasana. Relax. Next is Uttana Mandukasana. In the same Vajrasana position, stretch your both knees apart. Raise your hands above your head and then cross the hands and place it on the back. Your chest opens up your chest. Look straight, spine straight. Stay in this asana for a few seconds. Now first release your hand. And then come back to the Vajrasana position. Next is Paschimottanasana. Come back to the Dandasana position. Relax yourself, and then hands up above your head. Inhale completely, and then slowly exhale. Touch your toes. Once again, exhale. Try to touch your knee with your forehead. Stay in this position for a few seconds. You can feel a good stretch in the hamstrings. This is a forward bending posture. You can also feel your spine bending. Slowly release. Release. In this posture, you can see your belly fats getting removed. And next asana is Purva Uttanasana. Place your hands, coming back to the Dandasana position, rise your hip. And this is upward plank posture. Your hands must be inside. With the help of your hands, you have to rise whole body.
உங்களோட ஃபிங்கர்ஸ் மட்டும் கீழே அப்படி உங்களோட ஃபிங்கர்ஸ் கீழே பாதத்தை அப்படி தரையில படிய வைங்கம்மா. பாதம் மட்டும் தரையில். வெரி குட், சூப்பர் அம்மா. கம்ப்ளீட் போஸ் ரெடி. அவ்வளோ. ஸ்லோலி
release.
ஓகே, சூப்பர் அம்மா.
Next is Vakrasana. Come back to the Dandasana position and then bend your right leg. Raise your left hand, inhale, and then cross your leg. Hold your right palm, right feet. And then twist your body, exhale, and turn towards your right. Stay in this position for a few seconds. You can feel a good twist in this asana. This is a preparatory pose for Ardha Matsyendrasana. This is very good asana for diabetes. That is because this helps in functioning of pancreases. So it's good asana for diabetes. Slowly release. Raise your hand, left hand, release, and stretch your leg. Now do the left side. Bend your left leg in the same manner and raise your right hand and cross your leg and touch the feet, left feet. Exhale, twist your body towards your left side and look there. Stay in this position for a few seconds. You can feel a good spine, a twist on your spine. It also reduces the waist fat. Slowly release. Inhale, release. Stretch your leg. Come back to Dandasana. Relax yourself. Next is Ardha Matsyendrasana. First, bend your right leg. Place it near your left knee. And then bend your left leg. Place it near your butt. Raise your left hand. Hold your right leg. And then once again, twist your body. Exhale, twist your body and look towards your right side. You can also feel a good stretch on your spine. This is also a twisting asana. It also very good beneficial posture for diabetes patients. It increases the function of the pancreases. Inhale and come back. Release slowly. First release your hand, then release your legs. And then similarly, you have to place your left leg. Raise your right hand and hold your left leg. Cross your hand and hold your left leg. Exhale and twist your body. Feel the good stretch of your spine, twist of your spine. Stay there for a few seconds. Slowly release your hand first and then leg. Relax yourself in Dandasana. Next asana is Gomukhasana. Place your right hand above and left hand, cross your knees. If right hand, your left leg, and then raise your right hand above your head and left hand like this. Interlock your fingers. You can see that your chest opens up. Relax yourself in this asana. Hold there for a few seconds. Slowly release. Then release your leg and come back to the Dandasana position. Relax yourself. So done.
Thank you, ma. வாழ்க